Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use MyCurl products on my hair, as well as give you guys my honest opinion about the product. So if that's something you are interested in, please stick around for the full video. So I did go online to their website, which is called mycurlproducts.com, and I will have that linked in the description box below. I did purchase their styling kit, which includes sample sizes of their products, and I list those products on the screen here. The reason why I purchased their styling kit because this is my first time using their product, so I want to use their sample sizes so I wouldn't feel like I was wasting my money if I didn't like the product. Here we have their clean slate shampoo, and yes, their shampoo comes out in a foam-like texture, which is something I never seen before. However, it did clean my hair gently, and it did remove all the product buildup that I had in my hair before, and it did not leave my hair feeling dry or stripped. Here we have the Rehydrate Intense Moisture Conditioner. This conditioner definitely moisturized my hair, as well as it made my hair feel soft. Also, this conditioner has great slip, which made my detangling process easier. I left the conditioner on my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I also noticed that I still had conditioner left inside the sample size container for another wash day. Now, after rinsing out the Rehydrate Intense Moisture Conditioner, I then apply the Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner to my hair. This leave-in conditioner definitely softens my hair and also has great slip to make my detangling process easier. Now, in the next scene, you will see that I'm applying this leave-in conditioner to my hair while it's wet. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I then go in and apply this curl foaming mousse. And no, it doesn't look like your typical foaming mousse, but once you apply it to your hair, it then starts to look and feel like mousse. After applying the mousse, I then go in and apply the curl sauce gel. Both these products work great together, giving my hair volume and great curl definition. Both of these products working together does not create flakiness on my hair. So this front section of my hair I'm going to make into a bang. I applied the mousse and the sauce gel here together, and then I will flat twist towards my face to create the bang. Here in the back area, I'm going to two-strand twist my hair. But on these sections here, I applied the mousse first, ran it through my hair. Then I come back and apply the sauce gel and run it through my hair. And then I begin to twist. Now, if you're still watching my video and you like what you see so far, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. So here you will see me slicking my hair down with edge control. I applied the edge control to the side and back of my hair. So overall, I would definitely recommend MyCurl products for everyone to try. As you can see, it gave my hair volume and curl definition. It did not flake or leave any white residue in my hair. So I would definitely recommend everyone to try their product. And also, I would definitely buy their products again and continue to use their products. Now, I'm doing this voiceover about 5 days after recording the video, and I must say that the curls are lasting in my hair. However, I did slick those bangs back into a puff ball, but that has nothing to do with the products. I was just tired of having bangs on my forehead. However, if you go out and buy the products, please drop down in the comments below and let me know how your hair turned out, or how the products worked or did not work for you. But if you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.